FPC connectors unlock the potential of flexible connectivity. With ultra-thin, flexible design, they dominate foldable phones, wearables, and automotive displays. Pin headers and sockets, the backbone of secure PCB connections. Widely used in computer motherboards, industrial controllers, and smart home devices. USB connectors, powering the world's connectivity. From fast-charging smartphones to high-speed data transfer in laptops and IoT devices, we enable seamless digital experiences. Wafer connectors, compact and durable solutions for wire-to-board systems. Essential in automotive lighting, home appliance controls, and industrial power modules with vibration-resistant design. SIM card sockets, secure your global communication. Designed for smartphones, IoT trackers, and automotive telematics to ensure stable SIM card retention and easy replacement. Pogo Pin connectors, precision spring-loaded contacts for instant connectivity. Ideal for wearable charging, PCB testing jigs, and medical devices requiring reliable temporary connections. From industrial automation to consumer electronics, connectors are the silent heroes of technology. Need customized solutions for pin header, wafer, FPC, USB, or other kind connectors? Let's build your next innovation together.